Welcome to the OhioHealth Survivorship video lecture series. Today we're going to be talking about the OhioHealth Mind, Body, and Oncology Counseling Program. I'm Lora Hanna. I'm trained as a clinical social worker and certified as a hypnotherapist and interactive guided imagery facilitator. And I've been providing mind-body services at OhioHealth's Integrative Care at the Bing Cancer Center since 2012. Today we're going to do a brief guided imagery demonstration of safe place guided imagery. I use this imagery very often for general relaxation, stress reduction, and healthy sleep. I will also use a similar safe place guided imagery as a way to help relax patients first before going into more medical related imagery such as imagery for successful surgery, radiation, or chemotherapy. So today I would ask you to get into a comfortable place, whether you're seated or lying down, somewhere where your body can be very comfortable. And I'm going to ask you to think about going to a safe place in your mind, and this can be any place. It can be real, imaginary, wherever is a good place for you to feel peaceful and calm. So, first, just allowing yourself to get comfortable, relaxing down onto your support. When you're ready, you can just let your eyes gently close and bringing your awareness to your breath. And just noticing that flow of air as it flows in and out. And with each breath in, you can imagine breathing in peace and relaxation. With each breath out, you can imagine breathing out any stress, tension, or worries that you would like to release. And with each breath, you feel yourself becoming more peaceful and more relaxed. And just allowing yourself to focus on the sound of my voice. And allowing your body to just sink down onto your support, letting your muscles relax and soften. And just letting those feelings of relaxation flow through your mind and your body. When you're ready, allow an image to form in your mind of a very safe and peaceful place. This is a place where you feel completely comfortable, at ease, with no cares and no worries. This place could be inside or outside. It could be a real place or completely imaginary. It doesn't matter, just as long as it's the perfect place for you to feel very comfortable and peaceful. And as you begin to get an image of this peaceful place, just notice what you see here. Noticing the shapes and the colors that surround you. Maybe you see blue sky or green grass. Just noticing all the visual beauty around you. Listening to the sounds that surround you in this peaceful place. And as you listen, you might hear nature sounds, maybe birds chirping, or the sound of waves crashing. And letting those sounds soothe you, just wash over you. Noticing the temperature and the quality of the air here in your peaceful place. Noticing if it's warm or cool, breezy or still. Noticing any smell or fragrance in your peaceful place. And maybe you smell the fresh smell of pine trees, or the sweet smell of wildflowers. And just using all of your senses to take in all of the peace and the beauty that's here in your safe place. Letting yourself settle in and relax, knowing that you have nothing to do and nowhere to go except to be completely peaceful and comfortable. And just relaxing in this place for a few moments. And as you relax in this peaceful place, just knowing how good this is for your mind and your body to be so peaceful, so comfortable. In just a moment, we'll prepare to come back into the room, back into this time and place. But before we do, take another look around your peaceful place, soaking in any qualities that you would like to bring with you and take with you into the rest of your day. And knowing that you can feel this peaceful, or even more so at any time, just by taking a breath, closing your eyes, and thinking about coming to your peaceful place. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5. And when I reach 5, you'll be fully back in the room, feeling refreshed and relaxed and feeling good all over. And 1, beginning to return your awareness to the room, coming back to this time and place. And 2, feel your body's contact with the support underneath you. 3, noticing your breathing, just feeling that flow of air as it flows in and out. 4, feeling your body begin to fill with energy to help bring you back. And if you want, you can stretch or move any part of your body Wiggle fingers or toes to help bring you back. And 5, whenever you're ready, gently, softly opening your eyes, coming back to this time and place, feeling relaxed and refreshed. And welcome back. For more information on the OhioHealth Mind, Body, and Oncology Counseling Program, please call Cancer Call at the numbers listed below. Thank you.